There's they go. Canards, arse first. There you go. Look at that. RunCam Ron back on the airfield today. On a beautifully fine day, isn't it, Ron? It's gorgeous, mate. I'm just looking at this liquid sunshine about to descend on us. It's terrible. Hear the birds though, eh?
Yep. Alright, here we go.
Oh.
M2.
Okay.
Without the packer under the front wing.
Without the packer. Okay. Better get in position. Geez, that motor sounds sweet, mate.
Only at times.
Yeah. Okay. Away we go, eh? Which way are you taking off today, Ron?
Well, I'm taking it to the south.
To the south?
Yep.
So you're just taxiing back this way for a line up. Gorgeous.
It seems we've got the rotation today.
No risk of the sun getting in your eyes today, mate. Look at it rotate. It's fantastic.
Put the elevator on.
Lights away. Woohoo.
It still wants to dive.
Don't we all?
It's going to be very hard for flaring again.
You have to use a bit of power on. Keep the speed up, mate. It's very hard to track, it's so fast.
Let's pull up.
Yeah, remember that's just a foam wing on the front, eh?
Yeah.
And it is carrying a lot of load. Oh, it's starting to rain now, Ron. I can feel the spots on my face. Is it waterproof?
It's climbing under power there.
Yeah, but it just needs more authority and it needs a CG back a bit, does it?
Oh, it needs power off.
Yeah? It
Yeah.
flies better without the power. You should, maybe it should be a glider. You're probably going to overshoot wildly, aren't you?
No,
Okay.
maybe.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. On the runway, Ron? Or in the grass? Oh, beautiful, mate. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Lovely. Look at the rain in the distance. It's getting
Do
crappy.
with a bit more power.
Bit more power?
Yeah.
4 cells, you reckon?
60 glow engine.
Yeah. Oh, yes. What a good idea. Another successful flight. It's scared as hell. Shaking like hell. Woo.
It's not too bad. It's a bit slow.
Dynam wing, eh? It's a Dynam wing.
Yeah,
It's raining, Ron. Where you going? I'm getting wet here. So you think it's the RunCam sponsorships helped a lot with this?
It's not on me yet.
So now we're heading out again. There's been some modifications made to this wonderful aircraft. He's actually turned the nose leg or put the batteries on the top and gives it a bit more angle of attack on the ground, so hopefully it will rotate before it gets to the end of the runway this time. I wonder if Jim knows that's tied to the fence. Yeah, probably does. Okay, Ron. Sup, bro? Turn your hat on, eh?
Yeah.
Not get much output from that solar panel today?
Right.
Yeah.
Let's flip that front wheel carriers over so hopefully it's got a bit more
Yeah, hopefully.
angle of attack on the ground and it can roll.
Bit more angle of a dangle.
Won't turn right.
Won't turn right, Ron.
No, it's it.
Well, it's a left-hand circuit here anyway.
Servo's moving like hell.
Yeah. Well, I did say put a packer on it.
You got a pack here?
Well, I've got some balsa wood in there you can throw in, that'll do it. I don't have any actually with me here at the edge of the runway, but...
Okay. Maybe if I just
A
push
stick.
it over
Do you want a stick? Something brown and sticky? Is it binding or... I don't know.
Yeah, no, it's...
Should we find a stick?
It does feel pretty tight, but...
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to have to...
It's going
or something on
Yeah,
it.
hot glue. Hot
Yeah.
glue! Okay.
Try again later.
Let's return to the workshop, shall we?
Forgot where the plugs are now. Right, we'll fix the nose wheel up, we hope.
This is modified greater angle of attack and hot glue. Hot glue to the rescue. Is it turning now, Ron? It's a bonus, mate. Bonus. Is it rotating, Ron? Oh, it did in the end. It did take a while, mate. Do you think it'll come back? Oh yeah. Whoa.
It's full up elevator.
Wow. You didn't put the throws up then?
No.
Weren't you going to do that?
Yeah.
Forgot, huh?
But see, there's hands off.
Yeah. It's
That's
better
full
with you.
up.
It's better when you leave the hands off.
But in the turn, that's full up
Yeah.
elevator. I think I need some more elevator in it.
I think you do. Listen to that motor singing sweetly. Beautiful, Ron. Bit Chinese though, eh? Bit one wing low.
I just wanted to miss the grass.
Okay.
Should have enough battery left on the floor.
Yeah, I'd hope so. You gonna bung up the throws?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still need full up elevator to get it up.
Viagra might help.
Yeah. Look better on that turn.
It's very quiet, isn't it? It's unusual for one of my videos. On the grass, is it, Ron? No?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
I forgot I got no rudder and I'm good.
Yeah.
Hey, it's stuck in the grass.
Stuck in the grass.
Oh.